Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Double Grace, the Urgent 2K boy. I'm here with my boss.
I'm not boss, Vivian Sha.
Okay, nice having you, Vivian. Vivian, I just want to play a game with you and also I want to interview you. Are you in?
Okay, I'm in.
Or like, what do you like most about yourself?
Myself, I like myself.
You just like yourself.
Yes, everything.
Okay. Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
What is the worst thing that a guy have done to you?
Worst thing a guy has done to me.
Yeah.
Hmm. Everything is the worst thing though, but the worst part of it is that it's private. I cannot say it out.
Just
Don't
give us just
suffocate
a
them.
little about it. Just a
Say
little.
out though.
Don't
Say out.
suffocate them.
Yeah.
Say it out.
Okay. Do you have a boyfriend? Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
I'm not single.